Hello students, how are you? I hope you will be very fine students. Students, today we are going to discuss about one of the most specific topic, that is gravitational force. Yes, this topic will be the gravitational force. So I will discuss about this topic in this video. Firstly, we can say that gravitational force in our daily life is very important to us, because every two object or between two objects the gravitational force is always applied. But in some cases we can experience the gravitational force, but in some cases we cannot experience gravitational force. Why? What is the reason behind this? So these things will be the discuss in this video. So ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, जिसे कि हम हिंदी में कहते हैं गुरुत्वाकर्षण बल, इसके बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीडियो में। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि अपने डेली लाइफ में हम कहीं न कहीं ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के बारे में एहसास करते हैं, उसका एहसास करते हैं, क्योंकि इस यूनिवर्स की कोई भी दो ऑब्जेक्ट जिनके के बीच में ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स लगता है, उसका एहसास, उसका एक्सपीरियंस, फीलिंग कभी कभी आती है, कभी कभी नहीं आती है। तो ऐसा क्यों होता है, इन सब के बारे में इस वीडियो में डिस्कस किया जाएगा या मेरी तरफ से आपको बताया जाएगा। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आती है तो इसके बारे में आप ज़रूर बताइएगा। तो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स can be defined as with the help of this figure. If you have a 2 point masses m1 and m2, and these masses are separated at a distance r, small r. This mass is on the point A and this mass is on the point B, and the distance between these 2 point masses are small r. Why these masses are point masses? Because the size of these masses m1 and m2 is very small as compared to this distance. So the masses is known as point mass. So we can say that दो ऑब्जेक्ट जिनके मासेस m1 और m2 हैं, जिनके बीच की डिस्टेंस यानी दूरी जो है वो स्मॉल r है, और उनके बीच में लगेगा क्या? गुरुत्वाकर्षण बल, जिसे कि आपने कहा है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. So force will be the directly proportional. This force, gravitational force, is directly proportional. F directly proportional. Product of the masses. Product of the masses means m1 m2, and it will be our relation number first. ये हमारा रिलेशन फर्स्ट होगा. इसके बाद जो है the force is also inversely proportional r square, and it will be our relation number second. Our relation number second. We can also say that f is directly proportional 1 by r square, but f is inversely proportional r square. So these two relations are available. So gravitational force can be defined from these two relations. How? Gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the masses. So from these two equations, from these two relations we can write as, we can get f from, यहाँ हम लिख सकते हैं from relation first and second. F directly proportional m1 m2 and inversely proportional r square. Now F is equal to g m1 m2 divided by r square. What is capital G? It is the key thing, it is the important thing, it is the thing which is known as universal gravitational constant, capital G. So capital G having a value 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. It is our gravitational force. For the experience of gravitational force, the masses of two objects or at least one object out of two objects is as comparable of mass of earth or moon or sun. If the mass of two objects is very less, like as two ball, two person, two benches, two desk, the masses will be very less, and this value 10 to the power minus 11 is very small. So the force will be the very less, and it will not be experienced easily in our daily life. But in case of earth and me, the force is experienced. If you falls the any ball freely, then the ball will be attracted or attracted by the earth, because the mass of earth is very high, 6.6 into 10 to the power 24 kg, 10 to the power 24 kg. This thing is 10 to the power minus 11. So we will also have 10 to the power 13. Then the force will be very large, will be very bigger. So the force will be experienced. But in general cases, in between two objects, the force will not be experienced. So we can say that gravitational force is defined as, according to gravitational force, the force between two point mass object is directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the masses. हम कह सकते हैं कि ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स जो होता है वो दो ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में लगता है, और ये जो फोर्स होता है दो ऑब्जेक्ट के मास के, जो यानी मास बोले तो उन्हें द्रव्यमान कहते हैं, उनके प्रोडक्ट के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है, यानी उनके अनुक्रमानुपाती होता है, और उनके बीच की जो डिस्टेंस होती है उसके वर्ग के या स्क्वायर के व्युत्क्रमानुपाती होता है, जिसे आप इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल के नाम से जानते हो. एवरीवेयर दिस कांस्टेंट विल बी exist like as 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So in this video, from this video, that's all for today. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching for more knowledge, more information. These videos were my videos.